The Apple M5 iPad Pro has just sent shockwaves through the tech world after a massive leak from two Russian creators showed what appears to be a fully functional next-generation iPad, running Apple's most advanced silicon yet. If this turns out to be real, we're not just seeing a small upgrade, but Apple's boldest leap in tablet performance since the M1 revolution. The leaked videos reveal a sleek, ultra-thin design nearly identical to the M4 version, but underneath lies a redesigned architecture built for AI, graphics, and professional workloads. The new Apple M5 chip reportedly delivers a 12% increase in single-core speed and up to 15% in multi-core performance, while GPU power soars by more than 30%, turning this device into a legitimate laptop alternative. The M5 is rumored to be based on Apple's A19 Pro technology, built on TSMC's 3nm N3P process, offering faster transistors, better thermal efficiency, and drastically lower energy consumption. Beyond raw power, the iPad Pro's tandem OLED Ultra Retina XDR display could be improved further with OLED 2.0 technology, delivering even deeper blacks, brighter whites, and higher sustained brightness for pro-level color grading. Apple may also introduce an upgraded dual-orientation Face ID system, with sensors capable of recognizing faces in both landscape and portrait, ending one of the biggest limitations for iPad users. The leak shows a mysterious dual-camera cutout on the front, possibly hinting at experimental sensors or Apple's first step toward integrating 3D depth mapping for AR features. On the back, the usual iPad Pro text is gone, replaced by a minimalist Apple logo, which could signal a rebranding strategy to unify iPad and Mac devices under one clean aesthetic identity. Inside, the neural engine is reportedly doubled to 32 cores, powering Apple Intelligence, Apple's new on-device AI suite capable of real-time language translation, image recognition, predictive writing, and advanced creative assistance. With the M5's neural engine, artists could sketch ideas that the iPad refines automatically. Writers might receive real-time composition help, and photo editors could perform AI-based adjustments entirely offline. This shows Apple's shift toward privacy-first intelligence, where user data never leaves the device. The efficiency gains are just as impressive. Early reports claim up to 20% better power management, meaning Apple could maintain its 10-hour battery life while delivering desktop-class performance. That's possible through iPadOS 19's rumored adaptive refresh rate management and Apple's new energy-efficient display controller, which dynamically adjusts brightness and refresh rate per app usage. The leak also hints at advanced connectivity upgrades like Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, plus Thunderbolt-level speeds via USB-C 4.0. Accessory-wise, a new Magic Keyboard 3 is expected with a larger trackpad, haptic feedback, and more MacBook-like key travel, while Apple Pencil Pro remains supported, possibly joined by a new lightweight Pencil Air model. Analysts expect an October 2025 launch, following Apple's traditional fall pattern for Pro devices. And while the M4 iPad Pro started at $999, the M5 version might start between $1,999 and $1,149 due to its OLED and AI enhancements. However, Apple could cushion the price hike through trade-in incentives or Apple One bundles. The bigger question for consumers is whether to upgrade or wait. If you already own the M4, you're still in great shape, but those with M2 or older models could see a huge leap in workflow speed, multitasking, and creative potential. The M5 isn't just a chip, it's Apple's foundation for a new AI-driven computing era, merging portability, intelligence, and performance. Apple Intelligence will reportedly debut fully integrated across Notes, Mail, and Safari, allowing contextual understanding and smart generation on the iPad itself, eliminating the need for cloud processing. Combined with the rumored new OLED 2.0 display, 32-core neural engine, and cutting-edge N3P manufacturing process, the M5 iPad Pro could redefine what a tablet is capable of. It's a machine made for content creators, video editors, digital illustrators, and developers who want workstation-grade performance in a form factor that fits into a backpack. From the outside, this looks like a familiar iPad, but inside, it's a silent revolution, one that bridges the gap between tablet and computer more completely than ever before. If the leak proves genuine, Apple's October 2025 event might be its most transformative since the M1 reveal, showing the company's vision for how AI and creativity merge in one device. With power-efficient design, OLED brilliance, and mind-blowing AI performance, the Apple M5 iPad Pro could become the gold standard of tablets, setting the tone for the next decade of mobile computing.